We're now driving on runway Able again off to the side, and this is the ongoing construction of the runway. And this is now Monday, February 16th, 2026. This is what's happening.
Never really sprung like this, creeping through my mind all night and day. I watch you like you're on my wrist. Come over, I need you.
Hi, my name is Walt. It's time to discover Saipan. Okay, I had a chance to visit Tinian a few days ago, and if you're new to the channel, we here on Saipan are about 3 miles away from the island of Tinian, the historic island of Tinian, from which in 1945 the Enola Gay, the infamous B-29 bomber, US bomber, took off to bomb Hiroshima in Japan. And a few days later, the B-29 bomber boxcar took off to bomb Nagasaki. So many of my tour clients are very interested in setting foot on the runway. They're interested in seeing the relics and where the actual takeoff took place. So we're on our way to Tinian right now, and out the window you can see the runways, runway Able, Baker, Charlie, and Dog from right to left. And for the last 80 plus years, the southern two runways, Charlie and Dog, were completely covered over with tangan and bush and overgrowth. And just in the last few months, several contracts have been issued on Tinian, military contracts, and one of those involves the clearing of the runways, extending, widening, and repaving. So my guests in the last few weeks are probably some of the last people who will see a fully intact runway Able with the original concrete, the original pavement as it was in 1945. So our guests now are on our way, and we'll do the usual Tinian tour and then get a chance to actually drive on those runways. Now, typically, I've been able to drive the entire 10,000 foot length of the runway, but in the last few weeks, the construction has proceeded in earnest, and construction crews are actually tearing up the original runway. So I'd say about a fifth of the runway is still in its original condition, and that's the length we're able to drive these days. So starting at the east end, we can drive west on runway Able for about maybe 2,000 feet or so. Next time I go, I'll get the exact measurement for the nerds in the audience like me. So we're able to drive on the original pavement up to some cones that exist that are placed to indicate the closure of the road. Maybe about a fifth, maybe about a fifth of the way we were able to drive. Alright, what you're looking at there are actual pieces of runway Able that are there for the taking, I imagine. And this is what the construction looks like. The road is closed, but if you were hypothetically to drive along the shoulder, this is the construction that you would see going on. And it was in full swing on Monday, which was President's Day here in the US. So a lot of construction, a lot of workers were flying over from Saipan, a lot of big equipment operators. Possibly because it was a government holiday, many of the professionals who can operate those vehicles might have been more available. On the plus side, we were able to drive the full length of runway Baker shortly after. So that runway, which has been in use over the years actually. So when the US military does training and maneuvers with other NATO nations, they actually use the runway Baker and have been using it for many decades now. So yep, we're able to drive the full length of Baker, and now we'll reconnect to Able again. So my guests were able to partially appreciate and drive on runway Able, and then continue to do the rest of their tours. So just giving you guys an update on what's going on Tinian as of this month, and I'll see you in the next video.
Subscribe.
You know what the man said.